Welcome to this Pilates stretch class using a wall and towel for more support and deeper stretches. Let's go ahead and begin facing the wall. Your knees can be bent, towel along your thighs, and lay onto your back here. Arms by your side, keeping the knees bent and breathing in. Long breath out. So the breathing is very important in this class to help you ease into the stretch more. Your next breath out, taking your legs to straighter, so push against the wall. You feel a nice firm connection as if you're standing along the wall here. And now bend your right knee in towards your chest. The towel goes around the arch of your foot, the leg up to the ceiling. And right away, inhale to bend your knee. And exhale to go straighter. Inhale to bend. Exhale to straight. Now keep your leg in the straighter position and continue breathing deeply. Left foot pressing against the wall. Right leg supported by the towel. So you're really using the arms to try to pull that leg closer and towards you. Your next exhale, the leg comes across your midline just a little bit. So keep your right side of your pelvis anchored down, no rotation right now. Just see if you can focus on a longer, deeper breath in. And a nice long exhale. Slowly coming back to center. And your leg will open out to the right side. So your right hand can take hold of your towel. Your left arm opens. You want to keep pressing with your left foot to minimize the pelvis rolling to the right. So trying to keep your pelvis nice and still here. And stretching the leg open and up a little bit towards your ear. Next time you breathe out, coming back to center, bend the knee in towards your chest, and the towel can come off. Both feet press against the wall and switch sides. So left foot into the towel, leg goes to the ceiling, and right away bending your thigh in. Your leg goes straighter, breathing in and out. Keeping your leg in your stretch. Every exhale, just letting that leg try to come maybe closer towards you. Your left foot or your right foot anchored against the wall rather. Deep breaths here. Taking the leg across the body again, just a little bit to the left side of your pelvis, stays nice and still. You may notice this changes your sensation in the leg. And slowly, slowly coming back through center and letting your leg arc to the left so the towel can go into your left hand. Your right arm opens, that nice open motion, stretching through inner thigh, pressing with your right foot against the wall. Again, just to minimize the pelvis from shifting over so much. Your next breath out, slowly bring your leg back to center. Bending through your knee. And this time, scooch closer to the wall. So the closer you are to the wall, the more you'll stretch in your figure four stretch. You just want to try to keep your pelvis down. Right now, shins parallel to the floor. And 3 times let your arms reach behind you and then up to the ceiling. Your arms go behind and up to the ceiling. Another time here, behind and up. And then just let your towel stay behind. Arms can be by your side. Crossing your right ankle over your left thigh. And notice the sensation here. If you need less stretch, move away. If you need more, you can wiggle a little closer. So find where is that position that's just right for you. Breathing deeply here. Now rotate your palms to face up and just open your arms a little bit across from the shoulders, kind of down at the diagonals, just fine. And you may want to stay right here. If you want to add a little rotation, you rotate so your foot slides down the wall and your other foot anchors onto the floor. So this is a big rotation. Just find the stretch that your body appreciates right now. You're still breathing deeply. If you're rotated, let the legs uncross and then come back to center. So we'll all reset in center position. Then let your left leg cross over the right. Again, you may need to adjust where you are in relation to the wall. Feel free to take time to do that. Breathing deeply here. And rotate your palms to face up and the arms can open a little bit further away from your body. Breathing fully into your back body here. And you can stay right here. Maybe this is just perfect. Or if you want rotation, just slide or wiggle your foot down the wall here. Your other foot anchors to the floor. And breathe deeply here. I encourage you, what can you relax and release a little bit more fully? If you're in this full rotation, uncross with your legs and rotate back to center. Nice rotation back to center. Just so that you can scooch away from the wall a little bit, a little shimmy and scooch, and come kneeling. Now you can do these same stretches standing if kneeling isn't beneficial for you. So place one hand against the wall and your other arm's going to try to stretch over. So you have to find where that arm is. Most likely you have to adjust. Maybe you need to move closer to the wall or further away. And then you just get to breathe and stretch here. You can play with your head down to the bottom arm, straight in front, or even up. What's nice for you? And this is a nice stretch for arm, for full side body. Another deep breath. Very nice. Slowly bring yourself up and notice, more space on one side than the other. And then switch sides. So we're going to turn to face away, taking one hand down, other arm over. And again, adjust your arms as needed for your stretch. And you can move closer to the wall, further away. Maybe you start with your head down. So release through the neck. Nice side body stretch here. Maybe you want to look straight in front or even head up towards the upper arm. Just find what's nice for your neck, for your whole body here. And another breath. Very nice. And slowly bring yourself up. Turn to face the wall. Going into a lunge position. So one foot in front of you. Hips come forward. Sense a nice stretch through the hips here. Now walk your fingertips, not your full hands, but your fingertips up along the wall. And let your upper body stretch forward as well. So there's a little release in your neck and your upper body. Hip releasing forward, deep breathing. And again, slowly, slowly unwind from this stretch and switch sides. So find that setup position and walk your fingertips up the wall, and find your stretch here, releasing the pelvis forward. Let your head nod forward as well. And taking your time, slowly, slowly unwind. You can end having a seat or standing, whatever you prefer. And just notice how you're feeling after that session. Hopefully so amazing in your body, a little bit more open as well. Have a beautiful day, and I hope you can join me on the mat soon.